Ever pondered what lies beyond the curtain of our ordinary reality? Intrigued by the universe's mysteries, yearning to explore unseen realms and untapped knowledge? If so, you're in good company. Humanity has long been captivated by the notion that there's more to existence than meets the eye. Dolores Cannon firmly believed we're living in the most pivotal era in universal history. It's a time foreseen by countless spiritual teachers and seers as the Great Awakening. For centuries, humanity has been enveloped in the veils of illusion, conditioned to abide by rules crafted and upheld by those in power, religious leaders, elites, and shadow governments. These establishments understood the power of knowledge and fiercely upheld their status quo, keeping humanity in the shadows of ignorance. But now, the greatest challenge to their dominance is upon us: your awakening. But what does this awakening truly entail? It's a multifaceted process akin to unraveling layers of conditioning and societal programming. Imagine being born into a world where your family imparts their traditions and beliefs onto you. Then, you undergo similar indoctrination at school, preparing you to function within society's parameters. By adulthood, you're nearly primed to accept the truths embedded in your psyche. Yet, throughout this journey, a lingering feeling persists that something isn't quite right, that there must be more to existence than meets the eye. In the past, seeking answers was daunting. Access to diverse cultures, ideas, and perspectives was limited. However, with the advent of the internet, the landscape has drastically changed. Now, within minutes, you have access to myriad articles, videos, and resources worldwide. The internet has become a catalyst for humanity's awakening, accelerating the process in unprecedented ways. As someone once said, in today's age, ignorance is a choice. Teachers like Dolores Cannon play a pivotal role in this awakening. Through her work, she offers alternative perspectives and insights into reality's nature. However, she always stressed the importance of critical thinking and personal exploration. "Don't believe me," she'd say. "Go and check, learn, research, find your truth." This mantra guides seekers on the path to enlightenment. In the early stages of your awakening journey, a stirring within you prompts you to seek truth beyond the surface of everyday life. You feel compelled to question the narratives you've been taught and explore deeper mysteries. But as you delve deeper, a profound realization dawns. Who is this voice inside me? This marks a pivotal moment, the recognition that you are more than just your physical body and mind. You begin peeling back the layers of illusion, glimpsing the boundless essence of your being, an invisible power transcending time and space. As you explore this inner landscape, you make connections beyond the material world's boundaries. Attuned to your inner being's whispers, you listen to its guidance and wisdom. Some call it God, the universe, or their higher self. Regardless, it resonates deep within your soul. Many seek a deeper connection with this inner guide through prayer, rituals, or spiritual guides. They believe doing so fulfills their desires and prayers. Others trust spiritual guides, allowing divine nudges to lead them. Regardless, they're awakening to their divinity, realizing their connection to the universe. As you progress along this awakening journey, you find solace in knowing you're never truly alone. The presence of this inner guide is always with you, leading you closer to the truth of who you are. Eventually, you realize the inner voice isn't separate from yourself. It's the essence of your consciousness, free from physical limitations. In this moment of clarity, you understand you hold the power to shape your reality. You're not a passive observer, but an active creator. Your thoughts, beliefs, and intentions manifest your desires and shape your destiny. With this understanding comes empowerment. You transcend fear, doubt, and self-limiting beliefs, embracing boundless possibilities. As you embody this deeper understanding, you align with your true nature. You no longer seek external validation, trusting your inner guidance. You navigate life with grace, trusting in your innate wisdom. At the peak of your awakening, you realize you're more than perceived. You're a creator, shaping your reality. Dolores Cannon's teachings emphasize this truth, that we're infinitely more than we believe. Initially daunting, this realization empowers you to unlock your potential. You realize the person you've been searching for is yourself. The power you seek resides within. With the veils lifted, you see the world in a new light, full of possibility. Reacting to life perpetuates limitation, but conscious creation shapes your reality. Yet, not everyone is ready for this understanding. Some remain tethered to old paradigms. Trying to awaken them prematurely creates discord. Each soul awakens in its time. As you envision a harmonious world, you contribute to its creation. Living in alignment with your truth is key. It's a journey of self-discovery and expression, honoring your desires and inner wisdom. Inspired by Dolores Cannon, embark on this journey. Test the waters of conscious creation through visualization. Notice transformations as you align with your truth. Ultimately, live authentically. In a world of distractions, align with your values. Embrace your inner spark, drawing positivity into your life. By living in alignment, you become a beacon of authenticity, inspiring others to do the same. Remember, the journey beyond the veil is about experiencing truth firsthand. Embrace this journey with an open heart and mind, uncovering hidden truths and expanding your consciousness. In living authentically and aligning with your truth, you become a conduit for positive change in the world. By embodying your highest values and aspirations, you inspire those around you to do the same. This ripple effect can lead to profound shifts in collective consciousness, contributing to the emergence of a more harmonious and enlightened society. As you navigate the complexities of human relationships, you approach interactions with empathy, compassion, and understanding. Recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings, you strive to uplift and support others on their own journeys of self-discovery and growth. In embracing diversity and celebrating the unique contributions of each individual, you foster a sense of unity and cooperation within your community and beyond. Instead of viewing differences as sources of division, you see them as opportunities for mutual learning and enrichment. As you continue to peel back the layers of illusion and expand your consciousness, you may encounter resistance and challenges along the way. It's important to remember that these obstacles are simply opportunities for further growth and self-discovery. By facing them with courage and resilience, you can emerge stronger and more aligned with your truth than ever before. In the face of uncertainty and adversity, you draw upon your inner strength and wisdom to navigate the ever-changing currents of life. Trusting in the inherent goodness of the universe, you surrender to the flow of existence and allow yourself to be guided by the unseen forces that govern the cosmos. Ultimately, the journey beyond the veil is a deeply personal and transformative experience. It invites you to question the nature of reality, explore the depths of your own consciousness, and unlock the infinite potential that lies within you. By embracing this journey with an open heart and mind, you can embark on a path of self-discovery, spiritual awakening, and conscious evolution that will lead you to new levels of understanding, fulfillment, and joy. As you continue along the path of self-discovery and spiritual awakening, you may find that your perspective on life undergoes profound shifts. The illusions and limitations that once held sway over your consciousness begin to dissolve, revealing deeper truths about the nature of reality and your place within it. You come to understand that the external world is a reflection of your internal state, and that by transforming your thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions, you can effect profound changes in your external circumstances. This realization empowers you to take responsibility for your own reality and to actively participate in its co-creation. At the same time, you recognize the interconnectedness of all beings and the importance of cultivating love, compassion, and empathy in your relationships with others. You understand that we are all part of the same cosmic tapestry, each playing a unique and essential role in the unfolding of the universe. In embracing this understanding, you may feel called to contribute to the healing and transformation of the world around you. Whether through acts of kindness, service to others, or advocacy for social justice, you seek to make a positive difference in the lives of those around you and to contribute to the greater good of humanity. As you journey further along the path of self-discovery and spiritual awakening, you may encounter challenges and obstacles along the way. Old patterns and conditioning may resurface, inviting you to confront and release them once and for all. It is through facing these challenges with courage, resilience, and grace that you continue to grow and evolve on your journey. Ultimately, the journey beyond the veil is a never-ending adventure into the depths of consciousness and the mysteries of existence. It is a journey of self-discovery, transformation, and evolution that invites you to awaken to the fullness of who you are and to embrace the boundless possibilities of life. In the words of Dolores Cannon, "The only thing we have to fear is the unknown." Embrace the unknown with curiosity, courage, and an open heart, and you will find that it holds the keys to unlocking the greatest mysteries of existence and the deepest truths of your own being. As you continue your journey beyond the veil, you may find that your understanding of reality becomes more fluid and expansive. You begin to see beyond the limitations of linear time and the constraints of the physical world, tapping into higher dimensions of consciousness where all possibilities exist simultaneously. In this expanded state of awareness, you may experience moments of profound insight, intuition, and synchronicity. These are the whispers of the universe guiding you along your path, nudging you towards greater alignment with your true purpose and highest potential. As you deepen your connection to your inner guidance and the wisdom of the universe, you may find that you are able to manifest your desires with greater ease and precision. You understand that you are a co-creator of your reality, and that by aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and intentions with your highest good, you can bring about miraculous transformations in your life. At the same time, you may feel a deepening sense of oneness and unity with all of creation. You recognize that separation is an illusion, and that at the core of your being, you are intimately connected to every living being and the entire cosmos itself. In embracing this profound truth, you may feel called to serve the greater good and contribute to the evolution of humanity and the planet. Whether through acts of kindness, creativity, or activism, you seek to embody the highest ideals of love, compassion, and wisdom in everything you do. As you continue to explore the mysteries of existence and expand your consciousness, you may find that your journey takes you to ever deeper levels of understanding and realization. Each step along the way brings new insights, new challenges, and new opportunities for growth and transformation. In the end, the journey beyond the veil is a never-ending adventure into the heart of existence itself. It is a journey of self-discovery, self-transcendence, and self-realization that leads you ever closer to the truth of who you are and the infinite potential that lies within you. Embrace this journey with open arms and an open heart, and you will find that the universe unfolds its mysteries to you in ways beyond your wildest dreams.